natural health for beginners.
Discover the wonders of the canary melon in this engaging video, where we explore why this sweet and juicy fruit deserves a place in your diet. Learn about nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins A and C, essential for boosting immunity, enhancing vision, and maintaining radiant skin. Hydration hero, with its high water content, the canary melon keeps you refreshed and hydrated, especially during warmer months. Digestive support, rich in dietary fiber, it promotes gut health and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Heart health, its potassium content supports heart function, regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Low-calorie sweetness, perfect for weight management, it satisfies your sweet tooth without adding extra calories. Adding it to fruit salads. Blending it into refreshing smoothies. Using it in unique dessert recipes. Unlock the sweet secret of canary melon for better health. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.